Map here, Map Investments. I want to do a video on OBLN. It's kind of funny. We were in a chat room today while I was trading. I'm in a chat room in TD Ameritrade. You always catch me there in the trader lounge. But anyways, someone's like mentioning, hey, should I buy this one, OBLN? I mean, it was up 400% today. It's kind of tough to buy a stock that's up 400%. But I guess it works for some. I mean, I wouldn't do it. I kind of a subscriber there mentioned another stock that I said maybe it pulls back, and it didn't pull back. It hasn't pulled back. This aerial play, it keeps going every day. It's at 15. You know, what can I tell you? Can't bring myself to buy it. I wait for a pullback. Sometime it's gonna come back. So this is the one that they were asking about. I mean, it was up 400% today. This is the daily chart. Here's the weekly chart. Basically, 214 was the high on the weekly chart. And I don't know, this is pre-adjusted. It shows 150. I'm going to flip the video here. It says $158 there before. I don't know, that's pre-adjusted for a reverse split or anything. These guys develop medical devices to treat obese, overweight people by facilitating weight loss. They've been around since 2016. No profits. Some mutual funds own it, 29%. Management owns 14%. They must have had some news today. So it says here, Obalon Therapeutics surges 75% on news of merger with Reshape Life Sciences. So that's what made this thing pop. Surge 75 Wednesday morning on news that a company will merge with Reshape Life Sciences. Reshape Life Sciences, a weight loss solutions company, entered into a merger agreement with Obalon Therapeutics, under which Reshape and Obalon will combine in an all-stock transaction. Under the agreement, which has been unanimously approved by the boards of both companies, existing Reshape stockholders will have majority ownership of the combined company. Obalon will be renamed Reshape Life Sciences, and will trade under the ticker symbol RSLS. So I guess it was a merger agreement. That's what it's saying here. I don't think they had any options in. I checked today. They didn't have any options in this one. I don't think there's nothing else to do in that trade. I think that's pretty much it. If it's a merger. Anyways, I thought it was kind of funny. They had a pop on the second, 30%. So somebody might have known something on the second. Yep. Somebody knew something. 30% on no related news. So someone knew something was up. Anyways, I guess that trade is over with, but it was pretty popular on the board today. And it was kind of funny that the guy mentioned, hey, should I buy it? I don't know how much more room there is there. But there's been a couple like that I've wanted to buy, and they've had big updates and they just don't go down. Like here's this one, UAA, this one that I just pulled up, UAVS, hasn't had a down day in like 5 days maybe. Look at this. It went from, in 5 days, it went from 8 to 15. Basically a double in 5 days. I missed it. I just gotta accept it and say I missed it. I can't get in here. Don't want to get hit with a pullback. And it was a 19-cent stock. Who said penny stocks don't make you money? It was a 19-cent stock. There were a couple other ones that I have my eyes on, but they just don't. Let's see how this one did. FRSX has been pretty popular. See what it did today. up. Of course, it was up. Oh no, it was down 77 cents. Wow. But I would like to buy it lower. That's one that I've been seeing. Which is the other one? High power was. I think this one was down. It was down then back up after hours. There's Pola. Pola was up, down and then up a little bit. So it's starting to come back down. But those have really moved, and I've been having my eyes on them. But I would like a way bigger pullback to feel more, a little bit more comfortable getting into it. You don't want to get you don't want to be left holding the bag on this, you know. And they're thinly traded stocks, so just be patient and wait for your pullback. I did buy some of BWN, and it was up 2 today, and it was overextended, and I said let me bite the bullet. But these guys make money, so I felt comfortable buying a little bit. Well, supposedly in 21 they're gonna make some money, so I felt comfortable nibbling a little bit when it was high, and then it fell down yesterday, and I bought a little bit. But today I had a nice day. So, anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. It's just talking about some of these stocks. None of these stocks have options. If they had options, I'd be all in them. That's my main bread and butter. I'm a derivatives trader. I do futures and derivatives, options. That's my forte, is the options. But a lot of these stocks that are moving don't have options. So, I don't want to be holding the bag on something that might have a big sell-off. In options, at least I can have an edge in deciphering if the premiums are high or low, and then do my strategy in that option and whatever expiration and time frame I'm looking at. And I can also, if I'm selling options, also gives me the autonomy to put a trade that's a higher probability of success, and also where I can defend if it goes against me and collect more credits and lower my cost basis. So that's why I love options. But sometimes you can't ignore these high flyers when you're looking at the leaderboards on a daily basis. Anyways, if you love this content and you love the markets and are passionate about making money and finding winners, then this channel is for you. Subscribe. Please like it, share, comment below what you're looking at. Hit that notification button. I do videos on a daily basis. I do anywhere from 50 to 100 trades on any given day, and pretty successful in the market. So I'll see you in the next video.